Okay, we thought we would give you a little bit of an update here as to how things are going. Porkchop loves her little octopus. That's going well. The bone's a hit. But we do have a bit of a problem here. Well, as you see, the leash won't work. She won't go outside. It's snowing, it's blowing, there's 20-foot drifts. She will not pee outside. And if you notice, this was, this little pink leash came with her. And if you notice, it's nice pink and polka dotted, and which seems kind of humiliating to me for a dog. Well, maybe not the dog, but for me. And so I went out and bought her a black leash. And of course, she's afraid of the black leash and won't walk on it. So I get to walk around the neighborhood with a big pink polka dot black leash. The papers don't work. Not even the New York Times. I've tried a New Yorker. I've tried the Rolling Stone. She won't pee on that either. So what we decided to do was, are you ready? We decided to get a doggy litter box. A doggy litter box. That's what we decided to do. But guess what? Guess what? Porkchop eats the doggy litter. She eats the doggy litter. Porkchop, drop that. Drop it. Don't eat the doggy litter. Don't eat the doggy litter. Quit it. Stop it. Don't eat the doggy litter. Anyway, I've had to yell at her so many times because she's eaten the doggy litter that she won't even go near the box to pee in. And here, let me take Porkchop, quit eating the doggy litter. And let me show you something really unbelievable, okay? This here is a Chewy, okay? This is her favorite treat. As you all know, this is a Chewy here, okay? A Chewy. It's her favorite treat. Look at this. Tell me that this little pellet of recycled paper or whatever the hoot it is doesn't look like a Chewy. It looks exactly like a Chewy. What kind of lunatic makes dog litter that looks like Chewy's? So what this is this, you know what this is? You know what this is? This is really just one big box of Chewy's to her. Porkchop, don't eat the doggy litter. Put it down. But, Porkchop, give me that. Don't eat the doggy litter. You're supposed to pee in it. Anyway. We don't quite know what to do. Oh, I don't know quite what to do. Porkchop, it's time to pee, and you're supposed to be peeing in the doggy litter, not eating it.